Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm really excited to share with you all a brand new app that's just been released in 2023, and it's called Do Nothing and Get Paid. Yes, you heard that right, this app literally pays you $41.35 per hour to do nothing, even if you're a complete beginner. I know it sounds too good to be true, but trust me, it's not. So, in this video, I'm going to be walking you through everything you need to know about this app, including how it works, how to sign up, and how to start earning money. So, without further ado, let's get started. First off, let's talk about how this app works. The concept is pretty simple. The app uses your phone's accelerometer to detect whether or not you're moving. If you're not moving, it assumes that you're doing nothing and pays you accordingly. Now, I know what you're thinking, how does the app know that I'm not just holding my phone still while I'm doing something else? Well, the app has a few clever algorithms in place to detect this kind of behavior, so you don't have to worry about trying to game the system. Now, let's talk about how to sign up for this app. It's really simple. All you have to do is download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store and create an account. Once you've done that, you'll be asked to fill out a few basic details, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Once you've completed that step, you'll be taken to the main dashboard of the app, where you can start earning money. So, how do you actually earn money with this app? As I mentioned earlier, you earn money by doing nothing. The app pays you $41.35 per hour to just sit still and do absolutely nothing. Now, I know that might sound a bit strange, but think about it, how often do we actually take the time to do nothing? With this app, you're actually getting paid to relax and recharge your batteries. So, there you have it, a brand new app that pays you $41.35 per hour to do nothing. It's a pretty sweet deal if you ask me, especially if you're someone who's looking to make some extra money on the side. Of course, this app isn't going to make you rich overnight, but it's definitely a nice little earner that you can use to supplement your income. So, if you're interested in trying out this app, I highly recommend giving it a go. Who knows, you might just end up loving it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.